Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you saw from that card I just showed you, if you had a chance to read it, I have something from shescentit. So before we even get into that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. Give this video a thumbs up, please, please, please. Share this with someone, and feel free to leave me a comment at the end. So there's that card again. So I have a box here of goodies from one of my favorite roses here in our rose garden, and that's Shantae. Thank you, Shantae, for sending me this box of goodies. Now, she wanted to arrive before Christmas. It didn't. It came the day after. But you know what? I'm so super thankful. Okay? Super thankful and appreciative. Bless you, Shantae. So what I'm going to do is dig into this box here to see what she sent me from shescentit. Now, if you're not new to my channel, you know I have done many videos in the past with products on my hair from shescentit. I'm aware of the brand, love the brand. They are wonderful. Okay, so here's the box. Now, the first thing I noticed about this box before I even opened it, the doesn't smell like it anymore, but the packing, what do they call these, packing peanuts? This smelled exactly like popcorn. I'm so serious, like popcorn. Even my youngest son said, he's like, it smells like popcorn, exactly like popcorn. So I thought that was cute. I thought that was cute. So anyway, here's the flyer. And I have some products here. So let's get right into it. The first one here. Ooh, what is that? What is that? This is the shescentit Apple Nectar and Rosemary Follicle Boost Treatment Mask. Now, let me say one thing I truly appreciate, because Shantae pays attention. You know, she's always in the comments. If you guys make comments, you know, she is not new to this channel whatsoever. She's one of the OGs. She knows I'm making a change with this hair, and she ended up getting products I can use on my hair, whether it's a loose, natural, as I am now, or on my locks. That will be coming very soon. As a matter of fact, there's products I'm going to be using here right after this video to prep my hair, getting ready for my locks. Yeah, I wasn't playing, y'all, but anyway, look at this. So this is a nice 13 fluid ounce. It says it's made with apple extracts and rosemary oil. I cannot wait to get into this. Okay. We are not done. Next here, look at this. Ooh, look at the color. Okay, so this is banana brulee hair mask. Ooh. Now, I think I tried one other product from, it was another company, and it was a banana mask. Why can I not think of her? I cannot think. It's on my channel though, and I loved it. Look at that. It's even the color. It looks like there's like mashed bananas. But either way, this is a rich, deep treatment for dry hair. I wonder which one I'm going to use, because my hair is severely dry right now. Which one am I going to use first? The options. Okay. And how, I think this might be 8.5 ounces in this one, okay? All right, next one I have here. Ooh, also from the same line. This is the Banana Pudding Curl Defining Styling Cream. Oh, isn't that pretty? Now see, how am I going to use this? maybe what I can do is style my hair. No. We'll figure out how we're gonna use this. I could try this on a portion of my hair that is loose once I start locking up my hair, so you see how that is. But this could be used many different ways. I mean, hello, I got wigs too, but I really want to use it on my own hair. But anyway, so far 2 products from that particular line. Okay, what else is in here? Ooh, the packaging is so cute. This is the Banana Milkshake Styler and Leave-In. Definitely can use that. And this is 8.5 ounces, and it says it's a moisturizing hair milk for very dry hair. That is me. Okay. There's more. Ooh. Oh. Look at this. I love anything with a top like that. This is the Apple Nectar and Rosemary Follicle Boost Shampoo. Is this not perfect? Is this not, look at that. Is this not perfect? I love the applicator, and this is for a shampoo. Perfect. Perfect for loose naturals and locks. Look at that. Y'all let me know. Have any of y'all tried this? Oh, good thinking, Shantae, girl, good thinking. Okay, and the last item I have here, it is nicely wrapped. I did not have anything spilled whatsoever. Shescentit is just, they're just wonderful. Black-owned business, okay? Let me get this out. This is wrapped so good, I can't even see where the tape is. Okay, let me get my scissors out and start playing around. Okay. There. This is the Apple Nectar and Rosemary Follicle Boost Oil Serum. It's with rosemary oil and apple extract. This is so sweet. So she got me. Let me sent over. Okay, 6 products. Had it sent directly from Shescentit. So that was so sweet. And so it looks like I have 3 products from Shescentit's banana line. Okay, and then I have 3 products from the Apple Nectar and Rosemary line. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Which line should I try first? Let me know in the comments. Should I try the banana line, or should I try the Apple Nectar and Rosemary? No, I'll probably make the decision before I even show y'all, because my next thing to do is my hair. But let me know. So shout out to Shantae again. You know, y'all thank her in the comments. Thank her in the comments, because that's not the first time she has sent me goodies. I truly, truly do appreciate her. She's one of those roses that has been here the whole time. So shout out to you, girl. And what I am going to do next is I'm going to get into washing this hair and deep conditioning it, or a mask or whatever, and prep it and get it ready for my new hair journey. Y'all know, if you've been paying attention, you know about my new hair journey, okay? So if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that, okay? If you like hair content, nail content, sometimes I speak about women's health. You know, I'm even thinking about, I was talking to one of the roses yesterday during the premiere of my nail video, and these nails, you know, talking about getting back into makeup, you know, just, I'm a creative. I like to create. So whatever I can create that makes me feel good or relaxes me, I'm going to bring it to y'all, you know, come to the camera, bring it to y'all, and here we go. So if you like, you know, things like that from someone who is, some of you, a lot of you newbies don't know, but I'm over the age of 45. Yes, 2025, your girl will be turning 50 and proud of it. So if you like to hear from, you know, a seasoned woman who still knows what's going on in life, you know, make sure you subscribe, okay? Hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for me keeping it real, as I normally do. Leave me a comment, let me know which one of these products you want me to see first, use first, or which set of products from which line would you like me to try first from shescentit. And, you know, get caught up on my previous videos. Other than that, roses, I'm gonna get off here and get ready for the next video. So I will talk to you later, roses.